Whoa, did you see that? There's a ghost in my BM Pro. If you missed it, quick, rewind back and watch it. Watch the buttons. The light for the stairs, it just keeps coming on and off. It depends on what screen I have it on. I'm having functions of this unit, the BM Pro here, just turn on and off randomly all by itself. And today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. Ooh, that's the good stuff, and it is hot. That's right. So there's something wrong with the touchscreen digitizer on my BM Pro, which is basically nothing more than a tablet. And today I'm going to show you how to fix it. So, oh, there's a bug here. Let's get rid of you. So basically, if this is in your RV, you want to very carefully grab these corners and just pry it up. I've already broken two wall mounts. The first one was under warranty. The second one broke after I had issues, and I have a feeling that's why I had issues with the screen, because the people at Thor screwed the base plate on so hard, and it was causing like a twisting motion. So this bottom corner was always really, really tight. So I think it just tweaked this tablet and killed it. So you're gonna pop this off, and then once it's off, there's a plug right here. Just unplug it, and that's it. You're done. You're out. There's two Phillips head screws right here. You're just going to take them out, and then you'll be able to lift the tablet out of the BM Pro screen. Now, I had to take this apart because, man, there's these bugs. Sheesh. Because when I was looking on eBay, it showed different scenarios for the screen, so I had to open this up. And I'm not going to click it back down because it's not impossible, but it's a slight pain to do. But there's nothing to it. There's no screws. There's no anything. Basically, I would recommend starting at one of these like longer areas where there's more flex here. And just try to get your fingers in there and prop it open, and then just use one of these tools, wedge it in there, and just run it down, and you'll start popping these things open. And I did find the corners were a little bit tough. You might have to like take the tool the other way and kind of pop it. Just be careful, because this is actually two pieces. If you don't know, this outside piece is your touchscreen digitizer. This is what senses your finger. Beneath that is your screen. It's two different pieces. This is not combined. Okay, so we don't want to break the screen, because then you're going to have a bad day. So just go ahead and pop that loose. You can maybe just see right here. I mean, it's just a bunch of little clips, and everything locks in. So it's not that hard at all. And if you don't have anything like this, you can get a toolkit on Amazon. You know, a cell phone repair kit. So next I'm going to get a heat gun. What I'm going to do is just gently warm up the digitizer so I can pry it off without breaking the screen underneath. We just want to warm it up to get the glue loose. And then I'm going to either use this like piano pick piece or this flat piece of metal, and we'll get this pried off. Alright, I got my fingernail in there, and that's saying something because I really don't have much in the way of nails. I actually think I'm in between the layers there. There we go. That should be more like it. I found it really hard to use this plastic one, but you probably should, because the metal, like I was afraid of, was a little too... And I put like a little tiny scratch there in the glass. Oh, that's unfortunate. But check this out. This is how it came from eBay. So the new touchscreen digitizer is wrapped up in here, right? I mean, that's nice. And it came in this styrofoam box. It's really, really packed excellent. I'll leave a link down in the video description below if you want to order it. I have no affiliation with them whatsoever, but this screen was like $9, $10, something like that. So, and this is what I needed to verify when I ordered it. It was where this communications tab, and that's something I forgot to mention too. So over here on the back side, you'll see this ribbon coming through, and then you have this piece here, So you're just going to lift up on this little black piece right there, and that will release the cable. Now I wish I had some gloves. Maybe I do. Maybe I do. I highly recommend you do this because you don't want to get fingerprints on here. Luckily I was painting an RC car back here, and I happen to have some. So now we're gonna peel off this. Don't forget to feed the cable through here. Now if you want to be picky, you could clean up the old glue. I'm not that worried about it. Yeah, just so you know, a brand new unit from BM Pro. I ordered one because I didn't know if this would work or if I could find it. $300 for just this unit. So there we have it, man. So now we're going to come back over here on this side. We're going to just push that in. It needs to be in there straight. Then we're just going to flip that little bar. And there we have it. So now we'll just peel that off. Right now it's time to snap on the cover. I did have this microphone. Not that it matters. I don't think we use the mic for anything. Anyhow, did have it come off. Yeah, now we're just going to go ahead and there you have it. Just snap that back together. And this one does not have a battery built inside. I know some BM Pros do. This one does not, so I can't power it on until we actually go put it in the RV. Now you also might ask, why? If you bought a new one, why? Well, for 10 bucks, you know it's worth having a spare. In case if something goes wonky with the other one, I will have this in the RV ready to go. And yeah, and hopefully, you know the way it goes. If you have a spare, you won't need it. So we have our micro USB cable. Let's go ahead and plug that in now, because it'll probably be impossible once this thing is seated in here. Tablet's gonna want to go kind of like the top in first here underneath these big connector things, and then we just snap the circuit board back in, reinstall the Phillips screws. And then the only thing left to do is just go out to the RV and give it a quick test. Now I have heard of people using a different tablet, and that would be fine. I'm just, for me, with mine not having a battery in there, I wonder like how that would work, because the way this is set up to not have a battery. And then two, I wonder how these buttons would work. I guess it would work because there's your CAN bus. So the only thing coming off the circuit board is power. Because basically the tablet's going to talk to the node via Bluetooth. So when you do your backup, you do have to rebind it. But I can plug this in and make sure that the touchscreen actually works. So let's go do that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my replacement. You can see the seal is steel together. So this is the brand new one that I purchased from BM Pro. And here's the one we just fixed. So buttons work. I do believe that Number 2 should be right here. So the buttons work. Now I was having a problem here when we went to lights that the step well was going on and off by itself. I'm not going to sit here and watch and make sure that there's no more ghosts in the machine, but I think we just proved right here that the touchscreen works. Everything works. So, man, freaking good to go. All right. And check this out. Unrelated to this video, but when I bought the RV, this tab here was broke. So they warranted it. Now look. I think they friggin' over tightened it. I tell you, this is why I do my own work. Alright, so there you have it. That's how you can fix it. So if your touchscreen is going bad, whether you touch it and it doesn't work at all, or you're like me and it was changing things on its own, really simple, like $10 to fix it versus $300. I kind of wish I would have waited, but part of me too, I love having spare parts. I hate something being down. I'm eyeing just getting actually a whole node, the whole BM Pro node, and having it on hand, because if that thing goes bad, you lose the whole freaking like RV. The technology is kind of cool, but can be quirky and problems. I know people have had issues with like the tablet. Unfortunately, this won't fix it, but if you have the touchscreen issue, there you go. And like I said, if I do have a tablet issue, I have a spare on hand. I like that. So, hope you found this interesting. Hope it saves you money. Hope this helps you if you had the same problem. It's not a very hard job to do at all. So, just take your time. Be careful, because if you break the screen that's underneath here, then you now you probably can get a replacement screen. Just do like I did. I just Googled like BM Pro touchscreen, and that's where I found like the actual part number, and then I was able to find some really cheap ones on eBay from China. But there you have it, man. We got it fixed. We got it fixed. I said this is the one here. This one here, you can see that's got the busted seal, and this is my brand. And the good thing, the brand new one does come with a new backing plate. I was just waiting to see if we could get this fixed. So, go here to lights. Kitchen. Yeah. Good deal. Alright, like I said, I hope this helps anybody. Guys, this is a small channel. This is my secondary channel. My primary channel, I do RC cars, and that channel is doing really well. This is my little travel channel about the camper and me and the wife's travel. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like, share it, and subscribe. Help us grow this channel so we can bring you content. Like I said, we're going to be traveling quite a bit in this RV. We're going to go out for a few months at a time and travel, see the U.S., Canada, stuff like that, do some exciting stuff. My wife is from Russia. I'm an American veteran. Unique couple. So please join us for our travel adventures. And, not used to recording with a cell phone. So, it's actually like 1 a.m. So I don't want to go inside and wake her up. Anyhow, I rambled on way too much. Thanks for watching. See you next one.